Tyler, I have a Frigidaire stove, with a Dr. error code.oven and the broiler both don't work.mod #FFGF3053 LSJ.
Error Doctor means that the oven thinks the door is open, which is why the oven won't heat. If the door is firmly shut, then the door switch at the top of the doorway has failed and would need to be replaced. This is also the light switch, but it doesn't matter if the light portion of the switch works or not, the switch is still bad. Below is a link to the door switch. Click here for door/light switch. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Unfortunately, I did put the switch in dot and still came up with the same error code. Must be the board.
Unfortunately, the only other thing that would cause the issue would be the board if it's not reading the switch correctly.
THX.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.